Are you alright?
What are you doing all the way out here, little lamb?
Well, I was just wondering if you needed help. It looks like you do.
How are you not scared of me? With my sharp teeth and daggering eyes, I could easily devour you whole.
I don't believe you're scary.
Then you are a fool.
Why are you here, Mr. Wolf? Wolves don't stay in big burrows. How come you're alone?
Because I cannot join the other wolves.
Because they're mean?
Because I am tired.
I'm guessing you didn't get enough rest last night.
Rest would never be enough.
So, do you just plan on staying here forever?
Well, there's nothing for me out there.
There's plenty of things to do out here. So many places to see. Oh, like the lake.
What is so special about this lake you speak of? 'Tis simply just a body of water. There's no meaning to it.
It doesn't have to have any meaning. But at least you can enjoy its beauty.
How pointless.
Come on, please. I swear you won't regret it.
Fine. But if I come with you to see this lake of yours, will you leave me alone after?
I promise.
It's so calm here.
See? I was right, wasn't I?
I suppose. Is it like this every morning?
The majority of the time.
This is nice.
Yeah, it is. Well, are you ready to go back now?
Actually, I kind of want to stay here a little while.
Alright. Would you like me to give you some space?
I don't mind if you stay.
Okay. Then I'll stay.